Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix blurry Snapchat stories. So if your Snapchat stories are blurry for some reason, for example like so, there are a few steps you can do to check what's the issue basically. First, you can go to your photos and find that photo you wanted to post to see is it actually blurry on the phone as well. If it's not blurry, then I advise you to go to the App Store or Play Store, search for Snapchat, and from there you basically want to update it. And one more thing you can try is, if your lenses on the phone are dirty, just take your shirt, wipe them off and try again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.